What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Gio one more time right here on gio.azom.com. Welcome back to another video, and if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to watch more videos like this one. Today we have an unboxing video of the Synology DiskStation DS218 2-bay NAS. This specific unit comes with two bays that you can mount two 3.5 or 2.5 SATA HDD or SSD hard drive, 1.4 GHz Realtek RTD 1296 quad core, 2 GB for DDR4 RAM not upgradable, 1 Gigabit Ethernet port, and two 3.0 USB port and one 2.0 USB port. The configuration mode for the hard drive can be from RAID 0, RAID 1, Basic, Hybrid, or JBOD. It has a sequential read and write up to 112 megabytes per second, and the price for this specific unit is $279.99. The hard drive that we choose in order to use in conjunction with this specific unit is going to be 2 TB WD Red 5400 RPN, 64 megabytes cache, and up to 147 megabytes sustained data transfer rate. Inside of the bag we have one Ethernet port, Cat5e, power cord cable, and the unit itself. Not much to talk about the unboxing of this specific unit since there is not much inside of the box. Once you get the unit has a very good looking design. It's very well compact that fit on any desktop or any part of your office without compromising any space on your workspace. To install the hard drive inside of this unit is very easy. There is no need for any screwdrivers or any other tool. All you have to do is to remove the plastic cover on the front, remove the drive bay out of the NAS. There is two sidebars on each side of the bay that you have to remove. Mount the hard drive on the bay, put back in place those sidebars, and mount back the drive bay inside of the NAS, and you are good to go. The installation of the software is also very easy, but in this video we are not going to be going through the installation process. We're going to be leaving that for the next video that we're also going to be giving our reviews and thought when it comes to this DiskStation DS218 from Synology. Right now I'm going to be giving just a little bit of explanation on why did I purchase this specific unit and how is it that I'm going to be using it here in my office. I'm a web developer, and I also have a lot of footage that I use to create content for my YouTube channel, and there's other content that I create that I never upload to YouTube. My kids are also recording video because they are trying to create a YouTube channel. So data in the house is getting out of control. As of right now, I'm using 4 different external hard drives that are connected into my desktop computer. One is 8 TB, one is 3 TB, 2 TB, and 1 TB. Besides my desktop computer, I have a laptop computer, which I have a video somewhere in there you guys can go and watch. So in order for me to access every single data that are inside of those external hard drives that are connected into my desktop, I have to be transferring data files from one computer to the other one, and it's a little bit of trouble. I just want my data to be in just one place and have access to it within my network. Whenever I have to go out and have to meet with a client or go to a road trip or something that I have to do, I just simply take that data, put it in one of the external hard drives, and take that hard drive with me, and that's about it. So things get more simplified and a lot easier for me in order to store data and also have access to the data whenever I need it. As of right now, I only choose 4 TB. I am not going to be using one of those hard drives inside of the NAS as a redundancy. I'm going to be using the full capacity of the storage, so that's going to be 4 TB, which is not much, but I'm going to be storing on that NAS just that data that I'm constantly going to be using when I need it. So the 8 TB external hard that I have connected to my computer on my desktop is the one that I'm going to be using for backup and to archive the data that I'm not going to be using anymore, that I just open it whenever I remember. So that's the reason that I'm going to be using this specific unit. And also I want to explain that the reason that I choose 5400 RPN over 700 RPN on the hard drive is because this specific unit doesn't have a lot of spec when it comes to the hardware of this specific device. So I am not going to be able to see the difference between 5400 RPN or 7200 RPN. So it's not worth the extra money on the 7200 RPN hard drive. So I choose 5400 RPN. So in the next video, I'm going to be giving my review, my personal thought when it comes to this NAS, and also the installation process. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section down below, and every single description for the storage, the hard drive, and everything else is going to be on the description section down below. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day.